Okay, in this chapter, we're going to cover maintaining and monitoring servers running the Windows Server 2012 operating system. Now, we'll begin with an introduction to performance monitoring, its purposes, its advantages, and its processes. Now, as we'll see, performance monitoring is an important component of any network infrastructure, which you can use to ensure a consistent level of efficiency. Now, of course, in order to monitor performance, we need the appropriate tools at our disposal.
Yeah, of course, it's necessary. And in fact, Windows Server 2012 provides a number of different options for network administrators. Now, those options include Performance Monitor, Event Viewer, Resource Monitor, and Task Manager, in addition to the option of using third-party or, of course, Microsoft Enterprise-level monitoring solutions. Now, the choice will ultimately depend on the size of the organization, the amount of money to be spent, and the administrative personnel that will be involved. But to begin, we simply need to understand the importance of monitoring and to review the various available options in order to make an educated decision.